Today we celebrate Pope and Martyr Saint Callistus. According to Hippolytus, Callistus, whose year of birth is not known, began his career as a highly placed domestic servant, taking responsibility for his master's banking. When the bank failed, Callistus was blamed and attempted to flee, but was discovered, demoted to serve as a manual laborer in Rome, and thus, under inauspicious circumstances, Callistus came as a slave to the city, where he would later serve as pope. Matters went from bad to worse when he was sent to work in the mines, possibly for causing a public disturbance. Callistus may also simply have been sentenced to a persecution of Christians. During the subsequent reign of Pope Zephyrinus, Callistus became a deacon and caretaker of a major Roman Christian cemetery, which still bears his name, the Catacombs of St. Callistus, that I have visited many, many times. Hippolytus, an erudite Roman theologian, accused Callistus of sympathizing with heretics when he became pope, and resented the new pope's clarification that even the most serious sins could be absolved after sincere confession. The pope's assertion of divine mercy also scandalized North African Christian Tertullian. Considered in light of this error, Hippolytus' catalog of sins allegedly permitted by Callistus, including extramarital sex and early forms of contraception, may in fact represent offenses which the Pope never allowed, but which he was willing to absolve in the case of penitents seeking forgiveness. Even so, Callistus could not persuade Hippolytus' followers of his rightful authority as Pope during his own lifetime. The Catholic Church, however, has always acknowledged the orthodoxy and holiness of Pope St. Callistus, especially since the time of his martyrdom, traditionally ascribed to an anti-Christian mob in the year 222. And so we have it, another pope, another martyr, which I'm sure you know means witness, because that's what you should be.